Hi everyone. In today's video, Alice shares a cozy little story about baking cookies for her best friend. You'll learn simple, useful English phrases and everyday vocabulary. It's a great way to improve your listening and speaking skills while enjoying a sweet story. Let's begin. Hey friends, I'm Alice. Today is a special day. My best friend Emma is coming to visit me. I want to surprise her with something sweet and warm. So, I'm baking cookies just for her. Come with me. It's going to be cozy, fun, and delicious. So first, I need to decide what kind of cookies to make. Chocolate chip cookies sound perfect. Everyone loves them. And Emma loves chocolate. Okay, let's make a little plan. I need a few things. Let's make a list. Flour, sugar, butter, eggs, chocolate chips, vanilla, baking soda. Alright. I'm ready to go to the grocery store. The weather is nice today. The sun is shining, and the air feels fresh. Perfect for a little walk to the store. I take my reusable shopping bag with me. It's only a short walk from my house. The streets are quiet. I see some flowers on the way. They make me smile. Let's see. Here's the flour. Sugar. Butter. Oh. Eggs are over here. And chocolate chips. Yay. Last things, vanilla. And baking soda. Got them all. I pay for everything. Put the items in my bag. And walk back home. It feels a little heavy. But I don't mind. It's all for Emma. I'm home now. Time to get ready. First, I tie my hair. Then, I wear my cute apron. Now, I wash my hands. All clean. Let's start baking. First, I mix the butter and sugar. Then, I add eggs and vanilla. I mix again. It smells so good. Adding dry items. Now I add flour, baking soda, and a little salt. I mix everything slowly. And now, my favorite part. Chocolate chips. I add them. And mix well. Now the cookie dough is ready. Now, it's time to bake. I take out a big tray and put baking paper on it. This keeps the cookies from sticking. I use a spoon to scoop the cookie dough. Just a small ball, like this. I place it on the tray. And leave a little space. They grow when they bake. One here, one there. I keep going. Until the tray is full. Next, I preheat the oven. I turn the dial to 180 degrees Celsius. Now I wait. While it gets hot. The oven is ready. I open the door slowly, it's very hot. I place the tray inside. And close the door. I set the timer for 15 minutes. Now we wait and let the cookies bake. I look around my kitchen. It's a little messy now. So, I start cleaning. I put the empty bowls in the sink. I wash the spoons and wipe the counter. I fold the flour bag. And close the sugar jar. I throw away the eggshells. And put everything back. Now, the kitchen looks nice again. It feels clean, fresh, and cozy. I hear the oven beep. The cookies are ready. But wait. I also hear the doorbell. Someone is here. I smile. It must be Emma. She's right on time. I walk to the door. And open it slowly. It's Emma. She's smiling and holding a little gift for me. Hi Emma. I say. She says,
Hi Alice. It smells so good in here.
We both laugh. I tell her, you came at the perfect time, the cookies are ready. We walk to the kitchen together. The whole room smells sweet and warm. Emma takes a deep breath.
Wow, chocolate chip cookies.
I smile and say, just for you. I ask Emma, would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
I take 2 mugs, fill the kettle with water, and turn it on. While the water heats, I put 2 tea bags in the mugs. The kettle boils. I pour the hot water, and the tea starts to smell lovely. We sit down at the table. I bring the warm cookies on a small plate. Emma takes one. I take one too. We take a bite. So soft, so sweet. The chocolate melts in the mouth.
Alice, these are amazing.
I smile and say, I'm so happy you like them. We drink tea, eat cookies, and talk about everything. It's such a calm, happy moment. After some time, Emma looks at the clock.
Oh no, I have to go now.
I nod and walk with her to the door.
Thank you for the cookies and the tea.
I smile and say, come visit me again soon. She waves goodbye and walks away. The room feels quiet now. I look at the table. Some cookie crumbs. 2 empty mugs. I start cleaning. I wash the dishes. Wipe the table. Put everything back in place. The kitchen is clean again. Today was such a sweet and cozy day. I baked cookies, cleaned my little kitchen, and spent time with my best friend. And that makes me very happy. Thank you so much for spending this cozy day with me. If you liked the story, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time, with another simple and sweet English story. Bye for now.